Hi, I'm Arlene Padron, Scientific Communications Manager for Simulations Plus. Please join us and our Simulations Plus scientists in person at the 2018 AAPS PharmSci 360 annual meeting in Washington, D.C. When we're not attending various workshops or talks, you'll find us exhibiting in booth 1027, November 4th through the 7th, and we look forward to seeing you there.
Also join me on Monday, November 5, during the rapid fire presentation session entitled Preclinical Development-Chemical for my talk, HTPK, Conducting PK Modeling and Simulations at High Speed. That session starts at 3:45 p.m. On the same day, though, I will also present my poster from 1:30 to 2:30 p.m. in the poster hall.
On Tuesday, November 6th, please accept my personal invitation to attend our annual User Forum meeting. It's a great opportunity to network with our software development teams, top instructors, Simulations Plus consultants, and members of the GastroPlus User Group community. In addition, industry experts from Pharma and BioTech will be in attendance, sharing insights on new approaches and best practices for successful drug development. The event starts at 6:30 p.m. in the Marquis Salons of Marriott Marquis.
Before you close out your AAPS trip, visit the poster hall on November 7th from 12:30 to 1:30 p.m. My poster titled A Physiological-Based Pharmacokinetic Model of Rivaroxaban, Role of OAT3 and PGP Transporters in Renal Clearance will be on display. Stop by to talk or leave your business card, and I will email a copy of the poster to you. Thank you.